Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this screen recorder platform called Loom. So let's dive into it. So talking about Loom continues to strive in 2025 as the go-to video messaging and screen recording tools for professionals. The platform also shines with interactive features like in-video reaction, adjustable playback speed, ensuring high engagement, especially within distributed teams. Plus, its intuitive interface overrides recording and AI enhanced users, which make it a productivity powerhouse ideal for quick tutorial demos or asynchronous video update. That said, Loom isn't without its limitation. While the free trial is useful, it caps recording duration based on user status, and the power user often find they need a paid plan to get advanced editing, high video quality, and lawless upload. Some users also report glitch with large file upload and compatibility issues depending on the device or browser. In short, Loom remains an excellent choice for most users thanks to its ease and speed and engagement features. But if you need full control, longer recording, or enterprise level capabilities, exploring alternatives like ScreenFlow or Camtasia might be your next word. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.